Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to enable and disable macros, then watch this video. So macros are basically a repetitive set of tasks or a code that is used to perform or automate tasks in Microsoft Excel. So if you want to enable macros, then what you need to do is you need to click on File, click on Options, and then you need to click on Trust Center, click on Trust Center settings, and then you can disable macros with notification and without notification. It is preferred that you disable macros without notification here. But if you want to enable macros, then you need to know how to do it exactly. You need to master how to code macros, because if you don't, it can cause a lot of problems with your system. So if you are enabling macros, then you need to know how to code the macros into the Excel sheets. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.